My name is Cody Simmons. I'm from Denver, Colorado. I work at Rickenbach Collision Center. I was a lot attendant, detailer, and a production coordinator for our collision center. So I just did whatever needed done whenever it needed done. So I came to Ding King because I seen they do all forms of reconditioning, from paintless dent repair, wheel repair, interior repair, bumper repair, windshield repair, and it just seems like a very good place to come. So they've been teaching us how to do paintless dent repair. I've learned a lot when it comes down to doing the repairs, how to locate the tools, everything such as that. So it's going to be good to get back and apply the things that I've learned and everything like that to everyday experiences, and should be fun. Further down the road, after a couple years, I hopefully can own my own shop and do my own thing and go wherever I want to go and do the things that I've learned through Ding King, and should be good. Thank you, Ding King. Thanks, James. Thanks, Sal. Thanks, Todd. It's been great. I really appreciate everything you've done for me.